2,000 years later.
Hello everybody.
Hello sisters.
Today we have a surprise. It is a Buffalo Wild Wings Mukbang Sister Edition.
I love it.
So we're so hungry. We each got wings. Adi got boneless, lemon pepper. They got fries. Patsy got a medium or a buffalo mild. Wait, medium. Not boneless, traditional.
My mom's never
They smell
did
good. Huh? They look good, right?
My mom she get one
I know. And I got traditional bone-in hot barbecue.
Oh, did y'all get a bigger box because of the bone-in?
Yes. Addie. Oh yeah, so we forgot to get drinks, so we got drinks from Chick-fil-A. So unsweet tea.
This is Big Red. Red Flash.
It's Red Flash sister. God.
And then my Sprite.
A sister Sprite.
Yes.
Oh, and the ranch. Everyone, get a ranch. Yeah, Audie, keep yours in the holder. You know you're about to spill things. You should drink more than that. Drink it all the way down. We each have an extra ranch, so if you need more.
I don't do ranch. Racist.
How sad.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna. Did you see that bird? So we're just gonna eat it in the car. We're actually in the parking lot of Chick-fil-A and IHOP. I need a sip. I'm thirsty.
Sister sip. I have good ranch.
I'm just kidding. God, we're so hungry.
You haven't eaten in centuries.
I haven't eaten all day.
Oh, look at that good stuff right there.
Oh, I'll trade you one.
No, fine, just take one. Wait, can I have one of yours?
Thanks.
Sure. I was going
Oh, I can't trade with you. Sorry. Can't eat your bread.
Oh. Oops, no.
Mm-hmm.
Just right here. Gracias.
So good.
I haven't eaten Buffalo Wild Wings in a long time.
Together.
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh. Mm.
What should we talk about?
No,
Wow, was too good.
I'm just hungry right now.
Should we talk about the sister scandal?
Well, I don't know. What do you want to talk about? Let's each talk about something. You go first, and Patsy, since you have so much to say.
Did you just call her Aunt Patsy?
No, I said you go first, Patsy, since you have so much to say.
Oh. I don't know. I was gonna say that you thought being called Laura Lee was a compliment.
So well then you talk about Audie.
Okay, so we were getting our drinks at Chick-fil-A, and the person that we were giving the money to, as we were driving off, Patsy was like, "Oh, she looks like Laura Lee," and me and Jacob looked at her like, and she was like, "That's a compliment," and we both said, "No, that is an insult."
And
you're like, being called Laura Lee is an insult.
I don't know what to say.
Me neither.
But
I said what I needed to.
Audie has spoken.
Yes, I have.
So right now I'm editing the other mukbang that we did, the Mama Margie's one. And that was like months ago. Right? Like 2 months ago. And here we are 2 months later doing another one. I don't know when this one will go up.
Next year.
No, I think I'll try to do it soon.
No, they're 2 months.
I know, right?
Should we talk about, like, I don't know, school? Like, because I'm nervous to go to high school.
Oh yeah, the school year's ending now, right?
Yeah, it's like a month and a half.
I'm ready to go to 7th grade so I can do sports.
7th grade was a fun year for me
Mine was bad.
and my friends.
I
Bad?
understand, yes.
Spill, sister.
No.
There's a lot of tea. 7th grade tea. 7th grade scandals.
The 6th grade year has been good and bad, but like, you know,
You have a successful fan page on Instagram.
go
You
follow.
do.
It's gonna be right here. Just kidding.
Oh, well, since the last time that we talked, Audie already did a face reveal.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think I talked about doing a face reveal on the last video.
You did?
I did one,
Oh, I think you're right.
and
Oh,
I
yeah,
got
she
over
did.
100 followers.
Yeah, Audie's a...
Let's go.
I don't know. I hate when people walk around as we eat. Let's lock the doors.
I mean, they're gonna, like, we're out in public, so.
Whose phone's vibrating?
Mine.
Oh, I'm gonna say.
Put it on Do Not Disturb. I hate hearing the vibration. Oh, I'm mad at you.
Should I show them?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, what's up, you guys?
Yeah, so we'll
Yes.
come back for another creepy
Oh, sorry.
video. Dude, one of my friends don't like
These are so
him,
good.
and it gets me mad.
Wait,
They-
what?
Oh, just go ahead. My friend doesn't like him. He's in my 3rd period. His
How
name's-
sad.
Oh my god, when they got engaged, like, everyone at school was, like, was the only thing that they were talking about.
Oh.
Oh, me and my friend, we were talking about it. We're like, oh my god, it's so cute.
I kind of got offended because everyone knows his name. I'm gonna...
Don't forget to eat the fries. I didn't buy these for nothing.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god, I forgot.
So Shane and Ryland's engagement was the topic of all the middle school drama,
Drama.
news, headlines.
Gossip. No.
Drama, gossip, same thing.
I know, that's why I said
Mm.
Well, going on with my story, my friend doesn't like him, and he always talks about him and how he had that scandal with his cat.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, oh my god, just let it go. Like, think about the good side. He's doing some new series.
You guys are right.
He's very successful. When Jeffrey did that video with him with all that Gucci, Gucci. It was Gucci, right?
Yeah, I like Gucci.
I was
Gucci
like,
flip flops.
Okay.
That sounds funny though. I like it. These are like my favorite flavor of wings ever. Hot barbecue from Buffalo Wild Wings. They're good. Sorry, they're just so good. I think this is like one of the
Yes,
first flavors I
yes.
ever tried. Like when I first started eating wings, probably the first time I ever went to Buffalo Wild Wings. Loved it.
When was the first
I never listed it. Huh?
I think the first ever wings I got were lemon pepper.
The first were these on
Lemon pepper or a classic flavor? I always feel messy though eating these. Sorry, everybody. Stop. Oh, the Ariana Grande concert is in 2 weeks,
And I'm not going.
and I'll probably have to make a video about it, right?
Of course.
I will probably. Me and Anthony are going. I'll make a video, something. I don't know.
Y'all did it like late at night, and I was awake, and
Oh,
I remember like it was yesterday. And then like
What, when
I
you
went
bought
in
the
your
tickets?
room. Yeah.
oh.
Like, she was so furious and she wanted to like kill y'all.
Wait, what was I doing when you went in my room?
I think you were just like listening to music.
Oh.
Like, you know, you would come home and be like, Patsy, and then you put on Ariana Grande.
Oh
You're
yeah.
like, oh, let's go.
Wait, it wasn't that. It
Y'all
wasn't
always
right
have
after
music
work
playing.
though.
No, one of them.
It was late at
Y'all
night,
were,
like at 1
y'all
or 2 in the
out
morning,
with your
right?
friends somewhere, yeah.
Anthony was just like, "Let's do it." Actually, he did, I think.
And I'm like,
I was like, "Fine."
I'm like, what
You
if
didn't
I was
believe me?
sitting in there and they're like, Patsy, you wanna I dropped my wing. What if I was
I
sitting
wish.
there with y'all? Would it have been like, oh, you wanna go with us?
No.
That wedding,
Patsy,
right?
I do want you to go with us. I just don't have all the money in the world.
Should I ask mom and be like, Mom, can you help me buy a ticket for Patsy?
Patsy,
Anyway.
Sorry, I was late.
I don't care. Like, I'd be fine not going.
We know you were fine not going. You chose Lubbock over Ariana Grande.
I know.
And now Patsy has to suffer. I'm just kidding. But y'all had fun, right, over there?
Well, she didn't say anywhere else to go. She said California.
I know, right?
Playing
Okay,
around,
that
but you
was
could actually
crazy.
set a place. So. I have spoken.
I have spoken again. Okay.
I feel the air from
Me and the legend himself are going to the Ariana Grande
Oh my
concert.
God. You know,
But-
I was really hoping that, oh my God, what if they play on that day and Anthony can't go? But they do play on that day and Twitter said it
He's
was
not
okay.
going. Yeah, he's not going.
It's a sad day for me.
Yeah. Oh my God,
I'm just
sorry.
like a little offended.
About what?
No, I'm like a little bit of sad and happy for y'all.
And then.
Because like
mad
Anthony
and
barely
pissed.
knows like most of his songs.
I know, but we wanted to go the last time she came and we didn't go.
So they're like next year when Patsy loves Ariana Grande even more and she wants to go really
I
bad.
love her.
We probably won't go. Just kidding. No, I just know it's gonna be good. I probably won't believe we're going until that day. Oh my God.
There's probably no more tickets, right? Let's check.
You can check.
She said she farted.
Shut up. It was like,
What else? I don't know. We have.
Sister James coming.
oh yes, I want to go there. I
Oh
wanna
yeah,
go there
they
and
really want to go
Ariana
see
Grande.
James Charles. He's coming actually to San Antonio in July, right? And so who knows? We might go.
Like July 7th or something.
And you can make your own video.
Yeah, that's my speech
Your birthday.
7th. It
Your
is-
birthday is in July,
I
close
know,
to that time. So
There's 20
But
days
it's the
away.
7th. I'm talking about my teacher's birthday.
okay. Oh shit. Excuse me. Wow, this is so good. I'm almost full.
Are you okay?
Oh, excuse me.
You're like, Shawn Mendes.
Oh yeah, he's coming too. Who knows? Maybe we could go to that one.
Oh, I think we might be going to Monster Jam.
Oh,
Oh, I forgot. Is it that same day?
It's in July too, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in July.
Wait,
it's in July.
isn't it? Wait,
No, I think that one's July 7th.
The 21st. Right? I don't know, but you have a phone, you can look it up.
okay. Anybody here? I'm scared.
You could just put it. Look.
These are good. Good. What?
27th and 28th
Oh, Monster Jam? Oh, wow.
July.
27th.
There's nothing special.
You know, I was gonna say something, but never mind.
Oh, I knew you were gonna say. Stop.
You get. Give me another napkin.
Do they have purple windows or is it just me?
It's a tent.
Oh, that's what I was thinking.
It's true.
Thanks, sister. Oh my god, excuse me.
They're gonna take the wing.
Y'all better eat those fries because they better not go to waste.
I always eat the food and then the fries first, if I ever get fries. So hold up, sis.
Wait, don't I have a...
Guys, follow my dancing account.
What dancing account?
I have two, but I'm not active on one anymore, so I only have one. It's with my friend Rihanna. Shout out to her.
Rihanna? Fenty?
I forgot I have an...
Fenty Beauty Who? No.
The Jonas Brothers are coming. 21 Pilots.
Oh my gosh.
Jojo Siwa.
What is it called? It's r._.a_dances.
Go block them. Okay.
Are you done already, Audie?
What? Oh no.
Oh, it's July 21st.
James Charles?
Bro. Wait, then they might be coming to Texas or San Antonio
Who?
this week. TFIL. Oh my god.
TFIL.
I want to see them so badly. But I don't know where they're going.
They're just coming to Texas.
No, because I
Yeah,
asked
like-
her, like, do you have... There's like a vehicle, something with a car or something. A forklift or something. It's like...
Do you see those cars over there?
$10,000. And I was like...
Oh, God.
And like, they don't know, like, we don't know when they're here. You know? Because, you know, for their safety.
Because they were in Colorado, and our friend lives there. One of our friends. My best friend lives there. My best friend lives there.
Okay. Who?
Oh, she didn't know. Mackenzie.
Mackenzie.
Shout out to her.
You know her last name? It's okay, I don't either.
How long have you known her?
June 5th, same day we started. We met.
It was all like a lot of people.
Oh, we were talking on that group chat today.
Not on the same
It's still
exact
active?
one.
Oh.
They just like they made it.
Yeah, we were made the group chat, and Patsy started getting annoying.
What? What did I do?
We were like saying, "Mom, did you get off the phone?"
She was.
You were messaging that in the group chat?
Yeah, because I was just still on the
No.
phone.
Oh.
Oh no, but you were getting annoying at the time.
It was on our like separate.
Because I was at McCullum at the time.
Cause
And I like just finished doing the physicals.
Today?
Yeah.
no, because
Oh,
the
God.
phone was going off and off. And Mom's like, "What's that?" And I'm like, "That's my phone."
There's something called turning off the ringer.
I know, but she asked.
I didn't even know you left this morning.
Me neither. I woke up and I'm like, "Oh, thank God she's not here." Here's. Okay. No, stop.
Sorry, I'm just enjoying these wings.
freaking tea.
You ever seen that where that girl's just like,
With
and
her
what was it
nails or
about?
something, right?
Yeah. What was
Shut
it
this.
about?
Ew! Ooh!
Her glasses or something, right?
That girl don't got glasses.
That girl don't got. That girl don't got glasses.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ooh, I want it. I got
You
it.
know what's weird?
What?
When I was little, you see like these movies
When you were a little girl.
when like people with braces and glasses, and I was like, oh, I want braces and glasses.
Why would you want that?
I don't know. But then when we did my eye test and I couldn't see, I was like so scared. I was like, I need glasses. Here I am now. And I know I
Look
need
at me.
braces
I have
too.
braces and I need glasses.
I have
have
braces
glasses.
and I
Where
have
are my
glasses. So
glasses?
get off. Get out of here. Yeah, just kidding.
But your vision isn't that bad, so you're fine.
It's getting worse.
Just know that.
Are you talking about mine?
Mine.
Oh, I was about to say, I was like,
Just know
God.
how bad yours is. I don't know.
It's going to the other eye.
Mine are on both eyes, honey.
wait, where are your glasses?
In the room.
You know, I thought, I don't know why, but for some reason I thought they were fake. I was like, I remember the last time I was like, why are you wearing those? Remember? I was like, why are you wearing those glasses for? And you're like, she was just looking at me like,
Oh wait, that's my line. Never mind.
oh yeah, I'm sorry, that's yours, yeah.
You called? Oh yeah, that's yours.
Oh, did we ever tell that story? I'm gonna
Wait.
clean my nails a little, hold on.
No, I think so.
Just in case if the story is not in the last video, Anthony, my brother, the one that was in the other video with us, the mukbang, he had, he was driving this very car, and he was driving down this, down to the school, down the street, to pick up Patsy and Audie, or just you?
What the was?
To pick them up, and just the
Like,
amazing
I
driver
was-
that he is, he hit someone from behind.
Okay, yeah.
Patsy saw, witnessed the whole thing from
Let
the
me,
school.
my,
Yeah, so let Patsy say it, and it's
So-
good.
I'm there with my friends, right? And like, I hear someone honking, and I see who it is, and it's Anthony, and I'm like he was looking at me. I thought he was like trying to tell me something, because he had the window down and he was looking at me, and then I looked, and my friends both looked, because he was just honking, and then I just go, and I'm like, oh my god, that did not just happen. And then like, ever since that day, my two friends that were there would always like tell me, he was like, remember when your brother crashed in front of the school?
That's a good one, though. Thank God it wasn't you.
And then, oh my god, mom. And then mom called me. She was like,
What happened?
she made it seem like he was on the other side of
Yes,
the road,
Mom didn't know.
to where like he was parked or whatever.
Well, he wasn't. He was in the middle, right?
No, he was on the other side.
Like, but in the street, like, well, it was moving, right?
I'm like, mom, calm down. He wasn't on that side. And she was like, no, you better be looking out for him. And I'm like, okay.
The drama. Well, that was good. Oh my God, I'm so sorry I didn't
And
even
then-
talk to you.
And then he told me, he was like, hello? You called?
Mom saw my friend hit you one time because she was outside.
You didn't like it?
Oh no, I'm still eating it.
Oh.
What is it called? She
Those
would pick
fries
us
look
up,
good.
and I'd be looking away at my friends, and my friend was like, he was like, I was like, and then they were like, oh, you're leaving. I was like, what? I was like, I came in, and she went, I saw your friend hit you. I was like,
I saw your friend hit you. And you were like,
I was like, oh, you did?
oh, you did?
Oh, you did?
But now she picks me up late, which is I'm fine with. Because I see they're talking to her friend.
Ugh, I don't know why, but
She picked me up at 4:30 yesterday.
those
Yeah,
things
she
were
was
good.
asleep.
Oh, she was? Tell her
was
to pick me
there.
up at that time every day. I'm fine with that, to be honest.
It's not like I'm missing school every day.
You have been these last days,
Uh-huh.
but because you were sick.
The last
Okay,
day she
Are you
was
still going to school on Monday?
Friday she was
Okay.
perfectly
Okay.
fine.
I know. She was fine on Wednesday.
Oh my god. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, I woke up and I threw up.
Tuesday,
Friday,
Wednesday, Thursday.
I was getting ready to get into the shower.
Think I gotta cover for the weekend.
Friday, I was getting in to take a shower, and
Oh.
then I hear Dad.
But oh no, is that what happened?
No.
Oh,
Friday, Dad was like, "Oh, ask them if they want to stay home." And I was like, "You want to stay home?" And I'm like, "Yeah."
oh,
I thought about
No one
Wow.
probably misses me.
what a blessing. Huh?
No one probably misses
Oh my god.
No, I'm playing.
saying that. You
I'd
got a
be
video.
jealous that you're not at school. I always went to school though.
I went to school.
Yeah.
No one cares.
Like my mom was like, Mom woke me up. She was like, "You want to go to school?" And I sat there. I was like, "Yeah, I'll go to school." She was like, "You don't?" I was like, "Yes, I'll go, Mom." I said yes.
No, we were making
Yeah.
sure because we would think you would want to stay.
Adi is
I
a
sat there for,
scholar. She's not student of the year for nothing. Adi
Adi was
wasn't
a
just student of the month. She was student of the year. They're good. Show them your. Oh wait, I didn't show them the damage that I did. Nah, I won't. It kind of looks nasty. But yours looks
KO.
clear. Wait, where are your bones?
Right there.
Oh.
You haven't finished it yet? I'll help you. Can I help you?
No. You haven't finished that one.
I'm almost
Eat some fries too because those fries are good.
Sam and Colby are back on YouTube.
There's still Sam and Colby fans.
And we'll always
I
be.
think I follow them though on Instagram, right?
How
Sorry.
we do?
Sam and Colby 2.0.
I know I follow Colby. I think.
Follow Sam.
Bro,
Colby
the
back
fandom
singers.
is crazy. Oh my god. Okay, I think they're going on tour again in the summer. And I hope they come to San Antonio. If they do, I'm gonna die.
That reminds me, one of my friends, he acts like so rich. Like, it gets annoying. Because we'll be talking to something, right? Oh,
Does he have AirPods?
no. He has an Android.
Ugh. Good. Just kidding.
And what is it called?
Android user. Oh,
Please leave.
No, we need views.
is that a removable bird right there on the ground?
Oh my god, I think
Oh, it has flies around it.
R.I.P.
R.I.P.
bird. Rest in-
Rest in peace.
Can we get the
birdie.
rip in the chat? The rip.
Can we get an F in the chat? Put an F right here.
What?
Just do that. Get an F.
You heard that bird chirping?
Can we get a rip
Is
in
it
the
the
chat?
bird? It's the bird. No.
What are you talking about? What is that from?
Can we get a rip in the chat? I don't know, it's just
Someone type it in the
Something.
chat? I mean, in the comments or what?
Can I get an F in the chat?
Sorry.
rip for the bird if you care about it.
R.I.P.
F for
to
respect.
that B-R-I-D bird.
Oh, what is it called?
B-I-R-D, yeah.
Friday. My friends are trying to get me to tell me something that happened the day before that I'm not going to talk about. And he was like, I'll get you Sam and Colby tickets. I was like, they're not even going on tour right now. Like, oh my god, stop.
You're like, I'm the #1 fan.
He's
I
like,
know
okay.
when they're on tour.
He was like, I'll get you merch. I'm like, no, I'm good. I'm going to get the Polaroid
Like,
cake by
give me the merch first and then I'll tell you. Have it right in my
And then my
hand.
friend tried to give me like $100 too.
Why are all these people offering
And
you
he showed me,
things?
and he actually had the money. He showed me. I was like, no, I'm good.
Why are they offering you money, Adi?
Because they wanted me to tell them something that happened.
You should have
Thursday.
taken it.
I'm not
Adi's
gonna tell them what
loyal.
happened Thursday.
You're
Just
a loyal
take it and
friend.
be like,
I would be exposing
Like, they
someone,
would
and that'd
give
be
you-
bad.
but they would give you $100.
Exactly. That's why I'm not gonna tell them.
Adi doesn't
they
accept
really-
bribes.
Yes, I don't. Unless it's food. I'm just playing. But yeah.
Wow, so all I know is that you're a loyal friend.
Because if I told them what happened, that other friend would have got exposed, and then it would have went out all bad.
There would have been a lot of tea spilling.
Yeah.
Drama.
Would it have been
And then that other friend
boiling?
that's also in the drama, but also with the other friend, would have like hated me. And I feel like she already doesn't like me, so I'm like, no, I'm
Why
gonna
is
get
it
into
someone you
that.
like?
No.
Wow, Adi, you always have some type of drama brewing.
I was never in
Brewing.
I was never like drama last year, but well,
Somehow it follows you around. Ah, just kidding. Goes around. Hey. Excuse me.
I was a good kid last year. I was never in drama. I just knew about it because I was student of the year. No.
Oh shit! That van went over the curb.
I saw that.
You don't.
It's because those people are so dumb right here.
My tears.
Beyonce fans.
We should go to American Idol.
Oh, I'm gonna have to say it once and I'll say it again. I have said it. I regret not going to see Beyonce in San Diego the last time I went. Pamela, I'm sorry. I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you, Brittany. I should have listened to everyone who told me to go and I didn't.
Why didn't you go?
Because I was dumb.
Stupid.
I didn't want to spend money, but like I should have just did it.
We love her.
It was dumb of me. It was the dumbest thing that I've ever not done. Oh wait, did I throw something away?
How many singers have you seen?
You seen 1, 2.
I've only-
It was 2.
I've
Like
only-
3, right?
Me?
2, yeah.
Who?
3.
Fifth Harmony,
Fifth
Shawn
Harmony.
Oh,
Mendes.
that's it.
No, when you went to go see someone else. Oh no, I was counting Beyonce.
Ariel, yeah, I didn't see her, but I was close. I was.
Someone. What?
I should have
There's
just.
something going on at school.
Yes.
Remember when Mom actually said that? I remember I was there when it happened. I was like, she was like, is there something going on at school? And I was like, oh. And she looked at me and we all started laughing. I was like, ooh.
Mom always thinks there's something going on at school.
There's a lot going on at school. I'm just kidding.
I love asking Mom that when she's stressed from work or something. I'm like,
Maybe
is there
because
something
there
going on
is.
at school? What? Maybe there is something. There's always, I don't know why there's
The
drama.
kids are crazy. Oh my gosh, wait. I have like 5th grade friends from robotics. And I remember when I went, I was like, so is there any tea? And she was like, there's this player. I was like, oh my god, who?
Oh my God.
Who?
His name was like, I've seen him
No,
before.
who said that?
My friend.
Oh, that you said Mom. I was like,
There's this player.
there's this player. Oh,
You're like,
God.
yeah, he's a player. I was like, oh.
Wait, what grade are you in? 6th grade?
Yes.
Oh, a Cheesecake Factory receipt. Need to go back soon.
Be
Wait,
like, I
what?
never got this 2538. You don't.
Wait a second. Whose receipt is this? Because this ain't mine.
Matthew.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, this is the day we went for Ada's birthday. Forget it. I was about to be pissed.
X day zone activate.
We're gonna go see Endgame tomorrow.
I want to be.
Oh, yeah, I've already seen
Endgame.
it, but
Endgame.
Anthony, Patsy, and Audie have not seen it. But Audie and Patsy already know spoilers, but we're not
Yeah,
going
I've
to talk
seen
about
many
them today.
spoilers.
We're not talking about them.
I'm not gonna talk
But
about
now
it.
I'm not gonna look at any spoilers. Even though I've seen it.
Yeah, so tomorrow night we're gonna see it. Oh, actually, when Mom and Dad get home, we have to buy the tickets
On
because
Instagram?
the theater that I want to go to the Mayan because it's
Yeah.
nicer. But I don't know why Mom's afraid you're gonna fall asleep during the movie.
I know when she said that.
I thought
was
she was
like,
talking about like the time we're going.
I was
Yeah,
gonna
she
tell
thinks it's
Mom.
gonna be too late, and
I
I was
was
like, why
gonna-
does it matter? And she's like, they have school the next day, and I was
Do you
like,
think
so.
we care that we got
I was like,
school?
so.
I
was like, Patsy hasn't gone in
I
2
stayed up to
weeks.
3 in the
Just
morning
kidding.
on a school day.
It's only been 3
I'm
days,
fine.
right? You didn't go 3
I've
days.
been falling I've been getting tired really early, like around 9.
Well, you better stay up late
I've
today
been staying
because
up
you're gonna
late.
stay up late tomorrow.
One day I stayed up till 3 in the
Okay.
morning and I had school. It was fun. I was talking with my friend.
You gotta do it, girl.
I think there's something wrong with me.
Uh-huh.
No, because ever since Tuesday, I've been waking up and I feel
I
I was scared and I can't go back to sleep.
Oh my god, that was me last
Like
night.
my heart was pounding.
Oh, my
Did
heart
y'all hear
wasn't
that?
pounding. I was thirsty.
Was that only me that heard that?
But Audie, just leave the windows up.
Show me.
No, it's
Show
fine.
them.
Chick-fil-A, we love you.
And Buffalo Wild Wings. Not
Oh,
Swan's.
I will be ordering a
Such a cute baby.
number 3. I don't know, the spicy chicken sandwich with Chick-fil-A sauce, small fry, and sweet tea soon. So stay tuned.
You know who also loves Chick-fil-A?
I lost my voice.
Who?
Blessed Alex Guzman.
Ew.
Blessed be thy founding fathers.
And I might most likely Next merch I'm gonna get is gonna be called Polaroid Paint
At Coachella.
Oh my gosh, wait.
Simon Colby?
Did you see that post? There was a post. What is it called? It showed that, and it showed a picture of 2 jewels.
I'm
And
feeding
one
my
was
sisters
green and black,
for
and
2
one was
minutes
pink
straight.
and blue. Like fading into the blue. I was like,
Oh my god. People are dumb, dude. People have been driving crazy all day. You can ask them. It's not just
I thought
me.
we were gonna crash. Says the one who went.
When?
That was just the tires.
I was awake at that time.
That was just the tires.
They were like,
It was just the tires, Audie. And we were trying to wake you up because Patsy said you were asleep.
Yeah.
no, I've been falling asleep, but I'm not tired. Like, I'd just be like,
Okay, that still doesn't matter. You're
and
still
I'd wake
asleep.
up and I'd be like wide awake. I'm like, let's go.
I don't know. There's like this thing with me. I think like
What?
I wake up and like doesn't matter like what time in the morning, but I can't go back to sleep.
Yeah, sometimes
I
it
could,
happens.
Many
I'm just like I'm
times.
really really tired.
Over
You
the
wake
summer,
up.
Over the
Oh,
summer,
stop.
I'd wake up. I'd wake up and fall asleep about 4 times, and then actually wake up tired.
That happened to me.
But I'd always wake up tired. I'd just be like,
You know, I don't know how many times. Yeah, I've done it a few times where like Dad and Anthony would come home like earlier in the morning, or like one of you or Anthony, and like someone would be knocking at the door, and we're just like, I don't hear you, I'm just asleep.
Wow, Patsy.
I've done that so many times.
I'd be about to. I close my eyes and I hear, and I'm like, ugh.
And then I have to like suffer with the knockings and Lila barking. I'm just like, it's just gonna be over.
Actually wakes up. Oh, never.
And then I wake up when y'all come in. I'm like, oh no, I hear. I'm not lying.
Well, thanks for telling me because now I'm gonna bang on the windows harder.
That guy, he just went.
Patsy, don't look.
I'm not.
Slaughter you.
I'm shrinking.
No, it's just that everyone's.
I feel
growing
like
and
I
you're
am.
not.
What do you mean you're shrinking?
I feel like I'm not getting taller.
Yeah, you're not. You're short.
You have to take vitamins, girl.
We're about the same size. She's in 8th grade.
Oh, let's sit up straight. I feel like I'm a hunchback.
Hunchback? No, are the people with the hunchbacks are the ones that have like a lump on their back? That are like that? Wait. Wait, but did y'all hear that car earlier? It was playing Old Town Road.
Oh no.
Riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder, cheated on my baby. I'm going out. My life is a movie. Something, something, something. Ain't nobody. No, wait. Head down, cross town, living like a rock star.
Where we go, big time. That's what I was thinking. Like the beat's the same.
Where's Alex?
Oh my god.
I'm honestly gonna like finish these later. Like my mouth has been like draining.
Just put the wings and put them in here. And we'll throw that big one away.
It just fell.
So yeah, just look out for probably a video
No.
of stop. Probably a vlog or something in probably the next 2 weeks. Probably Ariana Grande Day. And what else? Oh, my birthday's coming up.
But you're turning 23.
Three.
Yeah, 23. Yeah.
Do you not
Are
know
you
his
gonna-
age? That's sad, Patsy.
No, I wasn't sure.
You're not a real sister. And not Sister James.
It's okay. I don't know
I'm
how.
actually
I forget how old y'all are. 13? 14? Oh
Wait, how
my
old am
god. 11?
Yes.
I
See?
knew it.
At least you're not like Dad. Thinking when I was 8, they thought I was 6. He was like, you're 6.
So today's
right? I was
movie
like,
we're reviewing is
Dad, I-
Spider-Man: Homecoming.
we need to watch that when we get home. Oh my gosh, Tom Holland is so cute.
God. It's wildly entertaining.
He says say I keep her check.
She was a bad man, nevertheless. Calling it quicks now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash out my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I keep it on check. She was a bad man, nevertheless. Calling it quicks now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash out my place, baby, you're a wreck.
Losing in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming out my face, baby, don't trip.
Someone took a big, I don't know how that felt.
Looking at you
sideways, party
looking
on
at you
tilt.
sideways.
Ooh,
Party on tilt.
Some things rules can refuse. Flying me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. You'll be left in the dust. Let's stuck by you.
Oh wait, actually,
The sunflower.
I don't know all the
Could
words.
never be too much.
Or you'll be left in the dust.
Unless I'm stuck by you. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make
Here, hold
it
it.
easy. No. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Oh, every time I'm walking out, to turn around,
Something.
go back down.
Fighting for
Let's
your
get
track.
off right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. You know I always come and go.
They gave me this
And
at
it's out of my
Whataburger.
control. Oh.
Wow, that was so good.
My sister always puts that on a lot.
Okay, so after a good mukbang, hand sanitizer.
Oh, it's
Oh, it looks like it's about to
sanitary.
blow. Hold on.
Wait, you have to be sister sanitary.
Yes, sister sanitary. Hey, ready? Oh, was that too much?
Don't get me wrong.
There. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah.
We're family friendly. I'm just kidding. No. I've seen your videos before.
Oh, fuck. I'm just kidding.
I've seen your videos before. Did you
Cuts a video of
Just kidding.
what is it called? Friends Miss.
Friends of mine. Oh. Oh, I forgot about that video.
Jake,
Oh my
look
God.
at
Oh,
that.
I need to
watching
rewatch
it
it.
in your room.
Yeah, I need to rewatch
And
it.
mom was like,
Everyone, go watch the Friends Miss vlog. It was really fun.
We're not in there, but like it looked fun.
Yeah, it was really fun. We were onesies. We wore onesies. No, we were onesies.
Ew, y'all come in, y'all are walking in, y'all are just an outfit.
Okay, so I think this has been going to conclude. Oh wait, fuck. This is gonna conclude our mukbang of our juicy wings, saucy wings at Buffalo Wild Wings with my
Yup.
sisters.
Ew, I sound like Bahad Baby. Bahad
Huh?
Baby. Yup. Yup. Nah.
You have red hair now.
Transformation.
And make sure you put on those Gucci flip flops.
Gucci flip flop. I'm a helicopter.
Oh God, Adi.
no,
No.
I was like, I wasn't doing it right.
Oh yeah, you were. I have it like.
I don't have any hair to do it, so.
Sorry.
Gets JoJo Siwa wig.
Ew.
You're saying her intro. Oh my gosh, when Jason tried to say it.
Okay, so we're gonna go.
To
This is gonna-
Starbucks.
I'm joking.
Excuse me. This is gonna conclude the mukbang of the wings, and
Now it's driving with Jacob.
we are going to go home. I don't know how long the video will go on, but we're gonna leave now. And
Oh.
yeah, let's just go home now. I'll go to HEB later, or I only need to get one thing really. But
Oh, that's
Yeah,
so
so
cute.
we're
I wonder how long
leaving.
they've been together. When I see old couples, I think it's so cute because like, I feel like old couples these days won't just like get together at like their age. You know what I mean?
You never know.
I'm like, yeah, but like most couples have been together for like a long time, so I think it's cute.
for a long periodically time.
Yeah, for that periodically time.
If my calculations are correct.
If my calculations, if my hypothesis,
Ew.
I'm just kidding.
If my, what is it, educated guess
My
is correct.
educated guess, using my critical thinking skills. Oh fuck!
Oh my gosh, you're going on full teacher mode, mom.
Oh shoot! I thought the wheel got stuck. Oh, you know what we can do? Oh,
What?
I was gonna say let's go to the car wash, but I think it's closed.
Let's go to the beach.
Nicki Minaj.
Shout out to her.
Have you seen that?
No.
Yes, you have. Okay.
Get out.
Nicki Minaj or Nicki Minaj?
Nicki Minaj.
No, like
Minaj.
oh god.
chemistry with Jacob.
He's been thinking for a long periodically time, and his critical thinking for his educated guess is right.
Ew.
Oh my gosh, one time I was so thirsty, and my friend gave me her water bottle.
Oh God, have you ever drank so much it like hurts?
I drank a whole bottle one time because I was so thirsty, and I was still thirsty after that. Because my teacher didn't let me get water. Because it was like the 10-minute rule. I was like, Miss, please, help me to go.
Oh my God, the 10-minute.
And then she was like, I got you. I was like, and I finished it. I was like, you want it back? She was like, you can keep it. I was like, thanks. And I hit my friend with it. It was fun.
Wait, what did she give you?
A water bottle.
Oh, you asked her, do you want it back? You're funny. So follow Audie at explore_Audie_. It's B.
No, you got it wrong. It's at xplr._.re.
That's it?
Or if you want me to say my fan account, it's Colby._.is._.bay.
Oh, which now she has grown. Probably double
5.6.
since last time. Yeah, almost double. Wait, actually, it might be double already. Almost double, right?
Yeah. Like 1.7.
1.7.
Oh, I did that math.
Pretty good.
Oh, I did that math.
And, oh yeah, follow Patsy. Yep, it's Patsy. Oh my God, is this a crash?
Oh, girl.
That's a nice outfit she's wearing.
I know, why is she standing like that in the middle of the street?
She's like looking
modeling.
She's like,
I want to
She was just modeling there.
picture. She's like,
I know, maybe there was a photographer there.
She's like,
See.
she was like, there's a car crash and I still be looking good.
And mine is at It's Jacob Farr on
forget,
every
Patsy has
single
another
social
account.
media platform.
have
Oh, and don't forget to follow my little girl, Lila. It's Lila Farr. Hey, look, the subway is gone.
yeah.
I can't
we
believe
talked about that
it.
yesterday when we were
At
sitting at
Whataburger.
I can't,
When you saw the airport.
I can't believe it's gone.
Oh, no, he was here.
And you know, Leanne texted me and said that Hurricanes is gone.
Hurricane closed.
Sorry, Carla interrupted us.
Shout out to her, she's amazing.
Go follow her.
At Carlita.
Right there.
Do I follow
Oh yeah,
her?
but her. Oh, did you see that bird just poop right now? Oh God,
No.
the world we live in.
Tara took a video of a bird pooping. Like, you're just sitting there and you
Oh,
see
yeah.
go. I was like,
Oh look, those people are jamming out.
To Ariana Grande?
Oh wow, I
Why
almost
did
took
she-
off.
wait, she reminded me of Lady Gaga.
She did, right?
Yeah.
You think it was her?
She looks back, I don't want to be with you anymore.
No, she's like,
What?
Uh,
Oh, you're saying? Are you talking about Alejandro?
Alejandro.
Oh wait, but hold on. We have to say R.I.P. the hurricane.
Oh yeah, R.I.P. Hurricane.
That place was good. If it actually gone, I'm like kind of
The
shocked.
Big Loose Pizza is over there because you can see the fire.
But I'm not gonna lie, that one time we went, it was a little sad. Boy, the beer was hot. That's what I remember. Jessica sang there before. It was karaoke night. Actually, I don't think it was karaoke night. She just asked to sing with the guy.
really?
And he was trying to beat her, but Jessica was better.
Oh, Jessica, yeah. She's a good
Taylor Rotto.
Shout out to
Silly.
Jessica.
Let's see if the car wash is open.
Get that part out.
Is it open?
Oh, yeah.
Best friends.
Oh. Did it just close?
Did it just close?
I
A
know,
bunch of
let's
cars
see.
in the line.
Well, you don't know, because I think it closes at 7 or 6.
It looks like there's nothing on. It's just the.
Yeah, because they wouldn't be letting 3 cars go at a time.
It's like. So like that's how it is all the time.
I know.
No,
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
not like that.
Yes. They always put them like that. They go one right after another.
Do you have any tea to spill on board?
What are your pet peeves?
Cheetah's bill.
Like, I don't know.
When people ignore me, like you.
You ignore us all the time.
No.
Yeah.
When mom tells you to do something, when I like show you something, I'm like, oh my god, Jacob.
What?
Was it happening?
I was
Like,
playing
I was
a
like,
game.
Oh.
I saw it go. And I'm like,
I was playing a game at that time, Patsy, and I told you to.
Oh my
hold it
god,
on, but you were like,
scared.
Stop. Oh, what's happening to us?
Oh my god.
We're going in. Wait, ours better have the waterfall.
I swear to God, right now. I'm scared. Oh my god, Jacob. Oh shit.
Patsy, stop.
Sorry, I'm scared.
There it is. Yay.
Oh, it's just me, myself, and I. Solo riding till I die.
Just go.
Woo, I don't need him.
Wow, it's really soapy this time, right? Last time it wasn't that soapy.
Oh my god. Something went up, I swear to God.
Patsy.
Patsy, come
I know, calm down.
You're paranoid. You've been tripping.
It got me tripping.
Oh, stumbling. Oh
my God.
Oh, the mirrors!
Jacob, Patsy, you're so scared.
The mirrors are broken.
I'm seeing things. You see this up
Patsy,
coming in?
shut
When this
up.
was going up, there was. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's so soapy.
They just
Oh,
trying to
they
make
put the
us
mirrors
laugh.
back in. Oh my god, what is that thing?
Dude, that air's strong though. It's scary. It's like. That's a nice color. Wait.
What?
I thought it's.
Patsy, what?
Patsy.
Something flew out?
Yes, I swear to God. I'm not lying.
Oh my god, let's look.
Okay, we're good.
See, y'all can probably hear it.
Is it
Oh, it looks cleaner.
all the back?
It does look so much more cleaner though.
That scared me. I swear, I saw like something land. Like,
You were like, oh my god.
I want to see that. I want to see his face.
All your hopes just flew out of that truck.
Come on, come on, car. Well, we made it out alive. No,
Get to the crash and die.
all the mirrors were locked and loaded, locked in place. And that's good. Sorry. I swear, the wheel feels
Oh,
weird.
that sounded good in my head.
Patsy.
I'm sorry. I was just like,
Patsy
really
was so
scared.
stressed inside that car wash.
That's how I wake up every
Oh, it's 'cause-
morning. I'm not lying. Like I have anxiety or something.
Patsy.
I don't like it.
It's okay. Yep.
Now we're back home.
And now we made it home. So thanks for watching this long video of information and scandals and tea. But let's see what. I guess leave us another restaurant or fast food place that you would like us to eat at, or me or anyone.
Or just another video idea.
Yeah, another video idea or anywhere you want us to go. Anything.
I don't know how to go.
And don't forget to follow us on our Instagrams and our YouTube channels. Well, at least Wadi doesn't really post on it, at least right now.
Yeah.
But we'll have it in the description below. But thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you later.
Link down in the description.
Bye.
Party until.
Some things rules can't refuse. Fly me like a cruise. And I'm not trying to lose. You'll be left in the dust. Let's start on fire.
What? Patsy, what?
Patsy.
Something flew out?
Yes, I swear to God.